Hello and welcome guys. In this session we are going to see how to build a machine learning model for movies recommendation and rating. For here we are considering the data like this, like user ID, what is the movie ID, what is the rating and what is the timestamp. I have this data in my Excel sheet. Previously all the session I was showing with taking data from SQL Server. This is the first session I am going to show taking the data from Excel sheet. In my previous session, I showed how to predict house rent using regression algorithm. If you missed that session, I will give the link in the I button. Please check it out. Let's get started. Upon Visual Studio, here I created a console application using .NET Core 3.1. Here I just added two input, user ID and movie ID. Here I am taking this two input and I am going to predict this rating. Go to Solution Explorer, right click on your application, go to R, Machine Learning. This option only appear if Model Builder has installed in your application. Click on Machine Learning. The scenario tab will open. Here previously I already saw how to do value based prediction. Now I am going to show you how to do recommendation. Click on recommendation. Go to the data. Here I am going to select file. If your data inside the SQL server, you can go to SQL server and select the server like this. Here I am going to select file. Let me close this file first. Select this file. So here column to predict rating. What is the user column? What is the item column? Next. Click on train. By default, .NET is giving 10 seconds. The more time you give to train, the more better prediction you will find. So for now, I am keeping as it is 10 seconds. Click on start training. It's finalizing the model. It will give us appropriate model. So you can see matrix factorization. Click on evaluate. So just check the prediction here, user ID and movie ID. So what is the predicted rating should be 4.64. Next, click on code. Click on add project. Two new project has been added to your application. You can see these two new project has been added. Go to model builder. Take this code from your model builder tab. Go to your own application program file. So here I want to just assign input.user ID equal to this user ID and input dot movie ID equal to this one I am taking from console readline. Next, console dot write line I want to show the prediction. Here I want to give result dot score dot toString. Just giving the prediction. Next, run the application and see the result. Giving user ID. What is the movie ID? Let's give 1. Keep enter. 3.86. So in this way we can give the recommendation of rating as per the movie and the user ID. This is called in the model builder recommendation scenario. Guys, if you like my video, give me a like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for future notification. One more update, guys. Very soon I am going to start one more series of Blazor app, so please stay tuned. Thank you very much.